This video will show you how to set a GUI setting data. Press custom one key to access EOP screen. Go to EOP main and then select GUI. This is a GUI main screen. This is a GUI version, and then make sure the MDI mode and then select configuration, and then select TSET tool setter, and then this page total the 3 pages. Current page is first page, and then next page, and then select the edit, and then using the arrow up and down key, the OTS active should know. Even the machine has OTS tool setter, please set no. This is RTS tool setter. This is OTS tool setter. Thank you for watching.